going to learn something very important. That is 3 keys to make our copywriting material to work in a faster track. Now, what are those 3 keys? Now, let us understand all about those 3 keys one by one. So, first starting with never sell. Now, you might all be thinking, why am I saying never sell? Because we are selling this product to sell. Our aim is to sell. Then why am I saying as the first rule to not sell? Because guys, for example, I am telling you a situation. Think that you are in that situation. You are going to an area and a salesman says you, Madam, can you buy this product? Or Sir, can you buy this product? This product has so many benefits, and all of those benefits he says. Are you going to buy that product? No, or sure no. Because when he starts his statement with Madam, can you buy it? Or Sir, can you buy it? Then your mind has already created an intuition to not buy it. So you should never start with saying that, or for example, I'm giving you just go to your social media account and then, a Facebook ad or a Instagram ad pops up. You are just so bored out of it and you get irritated and you just scroll it down or move through it. So, you should never start with selling your product. Then, how you should start? You should always start with telling them the benefits of your product, the features of your product and about your brand. First, you should create, an introduction, a figure of your brand, your product, the benefits, the plus points of your product in the mind of your customer. Then you should give them the option. Then you should plead them to buy it. So, you should never start with selling. This is the first and the most important rule, key for working of your copywriting material. Now moving on to the second key, that is connect emotions. Now why am I telling you to connect emotions? Because guys, whenever anyone is buying your product, he or she is connecting certain emotions to that product. For example, you only. Whenever you are buying any product, you are connecting with that product. And so you're buying that product. You are emotionally connecting with that customer. You are emotionally connecting with that product or services. When you create, when you connect with the product emotionally, then you pick up your pocket and pay the required amount to the seller. When you are not connected with that product, you won't feel to buy that product. So, whenever you are selling your product, you should always sell in a way that you are connecting emotionally with that customer. You are connecting your product emotionally with that customer so that your customer is more interested in your brand or in your product or service. So this is the second key that is going to move you in a fast track. Now coming on to the third key, that is justify their decision. See guys, I'm telling you that whenever you're buying a product, before buying it, you'll try to justify yourself. If you're not able to justify yourself to buy that product, you won't be able and you will not buy that product. So, it is very much important to make yourself, understand your customer in such a way about the product or service that the customers are able to justify themselves that they are taking a right decision by buying that product. So, it is very much important to let the customer justify themselves to be strong enough at the decision of buying that product. How will you help them to justify their decision? You'll make them realize, firstly, the benefits of your product and to create a realization in them that if they don't have this product, they are actually going to lack something and they are losing a big thing. So, making them realize that they are losing something will help them to justify themselves and help you also to sell that product. So, these are all the most important 3 things that is going to help you to sell your product. That is, never sell. Start with telling the benefits and at the end give them the option of buying it. Then you should always connect an emotional connect with them, because a customer buys a product when he is connected to it. He emotionally buys that product. And third one, help them to justify their decision that they are taking a right decision. These are the 3 important keys to sell your product.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.